Recording in.
Hi guys, Swati this side. Welcome back to TGP. IFMR, that is Institute for Financial Management and Research, have introduced their IPM program this year. So in this video, we'll be talking about, is the college worth applying? Since the forms are already out, a lot of you might be indecisive about applying. So I'm very sure you'll definitely gain some clarity on that. So without wasting any time, let's get started with the video. Universities which have been offering their IPM program include all the 5 IIMs, that is Indore, Ranchi, Rohtak, Jammu, Bodh Gaya, IFT, Nalsar, Nirma, NFSU, Tapmi, and now you can also include IFMR in your list. It is here to widen your choices. IFMR GSB is the Graduate School of Business, is affiliated to Kriya University. Kriya University's campus is located in Sri City, which is a city in Andhra Pradesh. The first batch of the program, since it's the very first year, the student intake is limited to a max of 60. You'll have to first give the Kriya's aptitude test, which will be followed by a virtual PI, which is the personal interview round. Talking about the eligibility criteria, a student should have passed class 12th with mathematics as one of their subjects and should have scored a minimum of 60%. A candidate should have passed a written exam before 2023 June, or should have passed class 12th basically with a minimum of 60%. You'll be selected via your scores in the on the Kriya's aptitude test, and which would be followed by a personal interview which would be conducted online. The 3 exit options you get are: you can exit after 3 years with a BBA degree, exit after 4 years with a BBA honors degree, and third is on completion of 5 years, you get an integrated MBA degree. Students can also choose to take a 1-year sabbatical either after the 3rd year or after the 4th year to acquire experience in the industry. So if you want to take a year gap to acquire job experience, you can take it either after the 3rd year or after the 4th year. The university would be helping you through the process. Talking about the fees, the first 3-year fees is 5 lakh per annum plus 2 lakh living expenses. The other 2 years, 7.28 lakh per annum plus 2 lakh living expenses per annum. So the sum total of all the fees is 39.56 lakh, approximately 40 lakhs. Talking about the placements, these are the placement reports of their MBA. Since this is a very first year, we are going to talk about their MBA placement report. 158 out of 184 students have been placed. The placement rate lies at 86%. The top recruiters of IFMR were Morgan Stanley, Axis Bank, Deloitte, JP Morgan Chase and Company, HSBC, etc. The highest package stood at INR 20 lakh. So the question lies, is the college worth applying? Since the fees is such a hefty amount, which is around 40 lakh, and here you would be getting an average of 12 to 15 lakh. Let's say after 5 years it would be around 15 to 18 lakh. If you are not financially stable, there are a lot more other better options available. You can go for that. If you want to keep this as backup, you can do that as well. We at the journey phase offer courses and mocks for all competitive exams ranging from IPMat to CUET and NPAT. Our packages include ebooks and sectional mocks and worksheets in addition to live classes with the experienced educators. What's more, we have student mentors at top colleges across India to guide you through your preparation journey. The journey phase is with you and for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel. We'll see you in the next video. All the best.